There, Congress may take up the health insurance debate for those Affordable Care Act subsidies that are set to expire at the end of this year. Channel 2's Ron Plant's got some clarification from a healthcare industry consultant as partisan politicians do battle, some even questioning health insurance companies' revenues as well.
As the battle continues over whether Affordable Care Act enhanced COVID-era subsidies should expire at the end of the year, a former hospital president turned consultant says it does not apply to recipients of employer health care, Medicaid, or Medicare. He says it's a relatively small, lower-income patient subset of the overall national health care market, which roughly doubled from the original 12 million people covered with more pandemic-related health care.
And it's only about 7% of the total population. And so in the political sphere, it kind of becomes a substitute for a larger discussion about our dysfunctional healthcare system. What those enhanced subsidies did was they made the plans cheaper overall for everyone. In other words, they enhanced the subsidies for all people on the exchanges. And in addition, it opened up the exchanges to higher income people.
So now, while Democrats push the extension, some Republicans proposing federal government deposits in a health savings type account for people to cover higher premiums.
The dollars that they're talking about would be kind of grossly inadequate, I think, to cover the premium increases that people are going to be facing.
Also, Zelensky feels more younger, healthier people may opt out of health exchange insurance, period. But costs still go up with a smaller premium payer pool and older, less healthy people still in the mix. Finally, health insurance companies. Some politicians now questioning their revenue.
I think they are guaranteeing their rates of return year after year, and I think they are full of it. So I do think we should look at the insurance companies and see what role they're playing in skyrocketing premium increases.
There's a lot of blame to go around. Insurance companies, big healthcare systems, pharmaceutical companies are probably at the top of the list.
Now, obviously, still difficult news for anyone directly affected with those higher insurance premiums. Now, Eric Linzer of the New York Health Plan Association, representing health insurance companies, also cites higher costs from healthcare providers and drug companies, and that state regulators approved their increased premiums. Obviously, an ongoing challenge without the extended subsidies and a much larger discussion here. On your side, Ron Plants, Channel 2 News.
Thank you, Ron.